What if the sun vanished right now? No explosion, no warning, just gone. Would we know immediately? Or would life continue for a few final moments before everything collapses? Let's explore what would happen, step by step, if our star simply ceased to exist. The sun isn't just a light in the sky. It's the cosmic engine that powers our world. Its gravity holds us in orbit. Its light feeds every plant, and its heat makes life possible. If it suddenly disappeared, all of that would vanish too. Now, here's the crazy part. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. That means for over 8 minutes after the sun is gone, we wouldn't have a clue. From our perspective, everything would seem completely normal. It's a strange and unsettling thought, living on borrowed time, completely oblivious. Then, after those 8 minutes and 20 seconds are up, the change would be instantaneous and terrifying. Day would snap into night. There would be no sunset, no beautiful twilight colors, just an immediate, absolute darkness. The moon would vanish too, since it only shines by reflecting sunlight. The only light left in the sky would be the distant stars, suddenly brilliant in a way no one on Earth has ever seen before. All across the planet, every city, town, and landscape would be plunged into a profound, unending night. But the darkness is just the beginning. At the exact same moment the light goes out, the sun's gravity would disappear as well. For its entire existence, Earth has been falling around the sun in a stable orbit. Without that gravitational pull, our planet would stop turning and instead fly off in a straight line. Like a rock flung from a slingshot. We'd become a rogue planet, hurtling into the blackness of interstellar space at a speed of nearly 30 kilometers per second. We wouldn't feel the change in motion, but our destiny would be sealed. We'd be adrift, a lonely wanderer in the cosmos. As we drift away, the cold would set in, and it would happen fast. Within just a few hours, temperatures would plummet. After one day, the global average temperature would drop below freezing to around minus 18 degrees Celsius. Life on the surface would become impossible for most species. And with the darkness comes the death of our planet's green lungs. While we'd have enough oxygen to breathe, for a while, the source would be gone. The planet's life support system would be officially shut down. As the cold intensifies over months and years, something even more dramatic would happen. The sky itself would literally rain down, leaving the planet in a near vacuum. Earth would slowly lose its blanket of air, exposing the frozen surface directly to the harshness of space. At the same time, the oceans would be freezing solid. So, could anything survive this apocalypse? It's possible. Deep beneath the ice-covered oceans, near hydrothermal vents on the seafloor, life might cling on. These ecosystems don't rely on sunlight. They get their energy from the heat and chemicals erupting from Earth's core. For these strange, deep-sea creatures, life would go on in the dark, perhaps for millions of years. But on the surface, Earth would be a dead world of frozen, silent sphere. Over millions of years, Earth would continue its lonely journey through the galaxy as a rogue planet. It might one day be captured by the gravity of another star, or it could simply drift forever in the dark. The disappearance of the sun would bring about an end faster and more complete than almost any other catastrophe we can imagine. Not with a bang, not with fire and fury, but with an encroaching silence, an absolute darkness, and an unbearable final cold. The sun feels so permanent, so eternal. But this thought experiment shows just how fragile our existence is, how dependent we are on these cosmic balances. If even one of them were to disappear, everything we know would change in an instant. Thanks for watching.